Dude, these look so good. That piece of meat looks so good.
It's literally falling apart.
Today, we're gonna be building a fort. We're gonna see how good we can survive the night. It's gonna be hard. It's gonna be pretty cold, but we will do it.
We're gonna cut a bunch of trees down and build a fort.
All right, let's get to it.
Still got all of them.
We just hold it up from behind them and all on that wall.
Yeah, we'll fix that later.
Thank
We
you.
need to tie this thing.
I agree with Rusty. We're gonna need like double, not triple.
Yeah.
Oh,
Shit, we was nice. Going down, huh?
yeah.
I've just been tucking all this.
This is
Pick it up over.
that's a wall.
And then we can screw these.
Got it?
All right, you guys, it is nighttime and we are camping right now. We got the fire right here. It's smoking up this fort. It feels amazing. Yeah, the fort's holding up pretty perfectly. We have a wall right here to reflect back the heat, and here's the fire. Overall, it feels really good. We're gonna be sleeping right under here. We're gonna wait for this fire to get down, get some good coals, and then we'll throw some steaks on it.
Nice, right?
Alright guys, we got this little grill going. It's holding up on 2 logs. Got the coals spread out. It's gonna be some good steak and good riblets.
Cook the riblets after it, huh?
The steaks are on the grill.
Oh, dude, that looks so good.
Need some salt?
Right, more than like.
I could actually salt it. What do you need me to hold it for? Woo.
Oh my goodness.
Probably could have done more.
Oh,
That looks more done.
Hotter now, so maybe we should give it a little.
We'll flip it on each side again on the flame.
Look dialed.
These look pretty good. Pretty juicy and stuff. There's no butter, no nothing.
Beautiful piece of meat right there.
Damn good.
That piece of meat looks so good.
That is America in a steak.
Indeed.
That was a super good steak. Honestly, I'm pretty full. What about you?
Yeah, pretty full.
You?
I want some more.
What about you?
save some room for the riblets.
Yeah, we still got riblets coming.
Dude, I want to sleep with it.
Oh my goodness.
Actually, damn good.
That looks
That looks
so
so
good.
good.
I feel like riblets are meant to be well done. Then it'll be done.
Dude, these look so good.
My feet are pretty good.
All right, now we're searing it. It looks amazing. I am so ready.
It's literally falling apart.
Looks so good. It looks so good.
Actually fell apart way easier than I thought. That's good.
It's good.
Mmm.
Is it good?
That tastes like bacon. That's awesome. Oh my god.
All right, now we're gonna build up this fire so that we can feel good while we're sleeping.
Oh yeah.
America.
All right, so now we're stockpiling a bunch of wood. Dude, it's getting really warm.
It is,
It's toasty over
Yeah,
here.
it's
Feels so
toasty.
good.
The fire's reflecting back onto us and it feels like amazing. We cleared this out and put a big log right here. We'll keep an eye on the fire. We always got water with us too. All right, y'all, we're gonna go to bed. One of them's already asleep. He's dead asleep.
Say hi to the chat, Weston.
But it is toasty as crap. All right, guys, just woke up. The fire's cooked.